Good morning, children. Now today we will begin the new chapter, that is surface area and volume. In this figure, under this chapter, we will take the first cuboid. You can see the cuboid like book, like box, instrument box, or has some 3D figures which have length, breadth, and height. So you can see each face is rectangular face. It has 12 edges, 6 faces, and 8 vertices. So it fulfill the Euler's formula, that is V plus F equals to E minus 12. Okay, we will not go for this formula here in our chapter. E minus 2. Sorry, E plus 2. We will not go for this formula in the chapter. We will just we have surface area and volume. So now we will find the TSA of cuboid. TSA of cuboid, as you know, all faces are rectangular and area of rectangular is length into breadth. Suppose in the front face, suppose we take this face, correct? This is length and this is breadth. So you have length into height, you have height into breadth, you have height into length. So there are two faces of length, breadth, two faces which have height, breadth, plus two faces where height, length. So 2 you take common, then length plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. This way we will find the TSA of the cuboid. That means the surface area of all faces of the cuboid. Now we'll have the TSA of cuboid with 5 faces. That means the overhead tank at our place, and the tank may be cubical, may be cuboidal, but it is open from the top. So we will remove the one part of this LB. So L into B only the floor part, then the height 2HB plus 2HL. So that is L plus B, L into B plus 2H is common, B plus L. Now LSA. LSA means lateral surface area or area of 4 walls. That means we will not include, suppose we are in a cuboidal room, we will not include the floor and ceiling part of that room. We just taking the area of all 4 sides. So front 2 means opposite 2 walls are similar, and next opposite 2 sides are 2 walls are equal. So 2 into HB plus 2 into HL. So you have 2 common, H common, length plus breadth. We can write it this way also, height into 2 length breadth. So height multiple perimeter of that floor or that hole or room or cuboidal tank, where you have to find out the area of 4 walls. Now length of diagonals. Length of diagonals means we can put maximum long length of a road in the cuboidal room. So from this corner to this corner we can place, and this is called diagonal. So length of diagonal, that is root L square plus B square plus H square. Now we have volume. So volume is length into breadth into height. So all the areas which we are taking, we are finding the unit for area. The unit we will use for area, that is square unit. That means you can use centimeter, that is centimeter square, meter, then meter square, kilometer, then kilometer square, whatever. And the unit for volume. That is cubic unit, like centimeter cube, meter cube, millimeter cube, this way. Okay. Now we take another figure, that is cube.